Good morning, students. Today, from our GK book, we will read three chapters. Chapter 45, Health and Safety. Chapter 46, Highest Peaks. And Chapter 47, Explorers of the World. So, let's start chapter 45. It is about the health and safety. So, state whether the following statements regarding health and safety are true or false. Here, some statements are given about the health. So, you should find these which one is true or which one is false. So, A. If you have to cross a road, first look the right, then to the left, and when there is no vehicle, cross it. It is correct. Okay. And second one. So, it is true. Second one, it is always advisable to wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Bicycle means motor bicycle. So, it is true. When you are riding a two-wheeler, it is compulsory to wear a helmet. C. If you have headache or feel unwell, you can take a tablet without asking an adult. It is false. Whenever we take the medicine, we should ask our elders. Okay, now fourth one, you should sharpen your pencil with blade. It is false. It is wrong. So, we should not sharpen our pencil with blade. We should use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. E. In the dangerous situation like a fire breakout or a gas leak, you must first keep yourself away from the source of danger. Yes, it is true. We should escape there where there is a danger. And F. It is not a good thing to tease stray or pet dogs, as they might bite you. Yes, it is true. We should not tease pet animals. G. And last, you should not touch electric wires and socket. Yes, it is true. We should not touch the electric wires and the socket. Now, chapter 46 about the highest peak. So, look at the descriptions of the highest mountains on the earth. All of them are located in the Himalaya and the Karakoram ranges in Asia. So, read about them to enhance your knowledge. So, here are some mountains are given. We will read about these mountains, the name of the mountain, location, height of the mountain, and when it was first climbed. So, first is Mount Everest. First is Mount Everest. It is located in Himalayas, and the height of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meter, and it was first climbed in 1953. It was first climbed in 1953. And second one is Godwin Austen. Godwin Austen, it is located in Karakoram. The height of this mountain is 8,611, and it was first climbed in 1954. Next is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is located in Himalayas, and the height of Kanchenjunga is 8,598 meter, and it was first climbed in 1955. And next one is Lhotse. Lhotse, it is located in Himalayas. The height of this mountain is 8,511 meter, and it was first climbed in 1956. The next is Makalu first. Makalu first, it is located in Himalayas, and the height of this mountain is 8,481 meter, and it was first climbed in 1955. Next one is Dholagiri. It is also located in Himalayas. The height of this mountain is 8,172 meter, and it was first climbed in 1960. Next one, Manaslu. It is located in Himalaya, and the height of this mountain is 8,156 meter, and it was first climbed in 1956. Next one is Cho Oyu. It is located in Himalayas, and the height of this mountain is 8,153 meter, and it was first climbed in 1954. Last but not least, it is a name Nanga Parbat, and this mountain is located in Himalayas, and the height of this mountain is 8,126 meter, and it was first climbed in 1953. So here was some information about the highest peaks. So next chapter is Explorer of the Worlds, chapter 47. So given below are the pictures and name of some of the greatest Europeans who explored the world by traveling throughout ocean in order to search their trade partners. Okay, write down the name of the places they discovered. So Marco Polo, he searched the sea route to India. Marco Polo searched the sea route to India. And Pedro Cabral, he searched Brazil. He explored the Brazil. And Ronald Amundsen, South Pole. Ferdinand Magellan, circumnavigation of the earth. And Vasco da Gama, he searched sea route to China. And Robert Peary, North Pole. Columbus searched North America. And the next one is Bartholomew Diaz. He searched Cape of Good Hope. And the last one is Vespucci Amerigo. He searched the Gulf of Mexico and South America. So today we finished these 3 chapters. Chapter 45, 46 and 47. So you will complete these chapters in your note and book both, and send your work in homework group or in the app. So you all have to send the work. Okay? Have a nice day.